Oh, this turned out so beautiful. Come on. This time I really failed it bad because I forgot to remove the white tower out of the print. So they are merged. Look at it. Let's try to shave it off. It doesn't look so bad. I think it's okay. I really like it. Look at its nose. And ears also work. One more leg. And a tail. Come on, get it. Yes. Oh, nice. I can balance it like this too. Front feet set up. And here is the nose. Oh, maybe this way is better. I believe it turned out really amazing, even though there was a mistake.